Welcome to Jammu Links News and Conversation with series. The Dharmatra Trust has taken note of these malpractices being practiced by some of these employees of the temples, which are the ancient old temples of Jammu and Kashmir, established by the Maharaja of our Jammu and Kashmir, Maharaja Gulab Singh. Some people are trying to malign the image of these ancient old institutions, which are quite old and are known for preserving our rich Dogra culture. Let's hear it from the council member of the Dharmatra Trust, Mr. Sunil Trakru. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, we would like to know that why are certain employees unhappy with the trust management?
Well, you can't call them unhappy. Yes, there is a strike that's going on. So certain employees are, unhappy with some reforms that we did of late in the trust. There were some complaints that general public, general devotees of certain temples that were made to us regarding a lot of corruption that was happening at the temples. So to counter that, the management and the trustees took a decision of doing certain reforms. Like we appointed a security officer, we appointed an administrator, and we abolished the thali system where donations are basically given in thalis. So we abolished that and put dan patras there, which were already there. So thali system was abolished because it was creating a lot of pilferage and very open corruption.
Right.
So just to prevent that, we created this, we abolished this thali system. And also we did routine transfers of people, as is done everywhere, in every corporate, every trust, everywhere in the world. It's a done thing.
Absolutely.
Of transferring people, of doing routine transfers. So we did all that. So probably this didn't go down well with some employees, I'm not saying all, I'm saying some employees who were being benefited by the old system,
Right.
who were probably blatantly corrupt. So this system didn't work for them, and they went on a strike, and later on, the other employees who were poor, vulnerable ones, they also got into the strike, and it's very unfortunate.
Right.
We are ready to talk to them, but I guess they want to put their conditions first. So unconditional talks can happen anytime, but conditional talks will not be, they won't be entertained.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
So, what are the reform measures and the anti-corruption practices that are basically were taken in the interest of the public, especially with the Raghunath temple?
As I told you, first and foremost, the thali system was abolished. So constant pilferage was stopped. A security officer was appointed, an administrator was appointed, and all donations went into a chadawa box, which is a accounted procedure.
Right.
So whatever comes in a chadawa box is properly accounted. There's a committee who sits and accounts for every money. So that was stopped. These were the basic measures that were, were adopted.
Absolutely.
So I guess it, like I said, it didn't go down well with certain employees. So hence the strike.
Right. Very true, sir. So my next question would be, what are the facts and the truths regards the non-payment of the salaries of the trust employees?
Okay. See, then what happened is in March, as we're all aware, the whole country was shut. Actually, the whole world was shut.
Absolutely.
Due to COVID. So through this whole COVID, we paid each and every employee of ours their full salaries through this period up to July.
Right.
And it's very important to say that we did not sack even one employee. All employees were there. We kept 100% of our employees, although most corporates, most industries, most trusts in India or probably in the world, they all cut their costs by sacking employees and cutting their salaries. We did not do that till the time we could afford it. So then in July, we deducted about 25% of the salary from their of the employees. Here it's very important to say that that the 25% deduction was only for people who were getting over 10,000 rupees salary.
Okay.
People who were getting under 10,000 rupees salary,
Exactly.
no deduction was made, towards their salary. So again in October, we've gone back to the salaries. This 25% reduction is not there anymore. So we've gone back to their original salaries. And unfortunately, we're not able to pay DA and bonuses, which even the government of India is not paying right now.
Right.
Okay, we are yet ready to consider it for the next financial year.
Right.
But right now, as things stand, we are paying them their full salary. A bit small reforms here and there to avoid corrupt practices might have resulted in this strike. I request the employees of Dharma Trust. We're a family.
Yeah.
Dharma Trust is a family. It's a family.
Very true.
So all of us, please come, please sit. We're ready to discuss anything with you, but there will be no conditional talks.
Absolutely.
We'll discuss with you unconditionally. Come and sit on the table. Anytime, we're ready to talk. Conflicts across the world have been sorted out only by sitting on a table. So you'll have to come to the desk and sit. Strike won't help.
So my last question would be, what is the message of the trust management for these set of employees?
The trust management would like to tell all the employees that we have run all these temples. I mean, Dharma Trust has been running all these temples, these 125 temples in Jammu and Kashmir and outside Jammu and Kashmir. Also, there are certain temples which are outside Jammu and Kashmir, probably a few in the United States also, which are run by Dharmarth. Okay. Our chairman trustee is a Shiva devotee. Mm-hmm. He would never want, or he would never allow anybody to hurt any of the employees. So he would never allow it. So my message to them is, we are a family and we are ready to talk to you. Please come, please talk. Don't bring a bad name to the trust. It doesn't help. It doesn't help you, it doesn't help us. Please come as a family, come sit down with us, talk to us. Whatever might be your demands, reasonable, unreasonable, they can all be discussed on the table. But one rider from our side is that we are coming unconditionally on the table. You also please come unconditionally on the table and come talk to us. We're ready to talk to you. It's your trust. It's run by you. So, that's it.
Very rightly said, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your time and being on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.